The fourth step is adding users to your account. Before we start step 4, let's ensure all the desired tasks or those applicable to your company have been completed. You do this by clicking on or hovering over the Company tab and selecting Dashboard. Here you will see all your tasks. If there's a task that needs to be completed, simply click on it and you will be brought to that page to complete it. Next, we'll go to the Users page. There are several options for adding users. The first one is individually. This is generally used for smaller companies or for additional admins. I would start by selecting which type. We will select User and fill out the key information. The username field is optional. If you leave it blank, the username will be created by the system. Some admins use this as an opportunity for a secondary unique identifier, such as their employee ID. Once you fill out this information, you would select if there's a desired service you want to attach to that user, whether it be medical evaluations or the fit test or training. The fit test or training will only appear if you purchase that service. Cap it off by selecting Save. Once I hit Save, that user will receive 2 emails, one with their login information and another with a link to take that service. With all the emails, they get reminders every other day until they complete that service. If for any reason you need it quicker than that, you could find that user under the Evaluations dashboard. Click there, find that user, and under Actions, there's an option to resend the login email information. Also, in some cases, you might have entered the email incorrectly. So for that, we go to the Users page. Once again, we find that user, click on Edit, and put in their correct email address. Once you put in a new email address, all the service emails associated with that user will be regenerated. They will receive another email with their login information and the link to take the selected service. We're going to go back to the Users page and, once again, go to another option, which is Bulk Entry. When I click on Bulk Entry, there's an option to download the CSV template. I'll click that. It's a very simple CSV. You can put up to 250 users at a time with one CSV. If you leave the username blank, the system will create one for you. Once I save that CSV, I'll choose that file and upload it. Once I upload, all the users will receive 2 emails, one with their login information and one with a link to take that service. Also, regarding emails, you can check at any time under email status to make sure they are being delivered correctly. If there's an issue with delivery, we recommend double-checking their email address. In some cases, it could also end up in their junk mail. The third option for adding users is Kiosk Mode. For Kiosk Mode, you simply click this button and it automatically drops into the medical evaluation. At that time, you would hand the computer off to the user who needs to complete it. Once they complete the medical evaluation, it automatically recycles and resets. It will be another blank medical evaluation that the next user can use. This is generally used for a central computer for those who do not have email addresses. The fourth option is the access code. Every time you purchase a service, you'll get a new access code. For example, if you bought 100 medical evaluations at once, you'll have an access code for those 100 medical evaluations. You can click here to copy the code. It automatically gets copied to your computer, and you just paste it into an email communication or whatnot. Also, with this option, you have the option to have a customizable web URL. This web URL will be branded with your logo and will have its own unique website. You can also download the QR code. That will conclude step 4.